In this experiment, we will determine chloride content of water sample. Practical significance of these experiments. Boiler is an important equipment for various industrial processes to produce steam using water. Nature of water plays important role in terms of efficiency of a boiler and various problems caused to the boiler. Diploma engineer has to deal with the different uses of water during their course of work, and also have to deal with the problems caused by hard water like boiler corrosion, caustic embrittlement, scale and sludge formation. This experiment will help diploma engineers to determine the magnitude of a chloride content which is required to control corrosion. Relevant course outcome of this experiment is select relevant water treatment process for various applications. Practical outcome of this experiment is determine chloride content in the given water sample. Minimum theoretical background behind the experiment. Water contain dissolved chloride salts of a calcium, magnesium and sodium. When sample of water is titrated against silver nitrate solution, using potassium chromate indicator, the chloride present in the water sample is precipitated as silver chloride. As soon as all the chlorides are precipitated out, then even a single drop of silver nitrate added in the excess gives a red precipitate of a silver chromate. Means here silver nitrate is our burette solution. And the chloride content present in the water sample, when reacts with this silver nitrate solution, chloride is converted into the silver chloride solution. And when all these chloride contents are removed, this silver nitrate reacts with this chromate ion and form red precipitate of a silver chromate. That is our end point. If water contains chloride ions above 250 ppm is not suitable for a drinking or industrial purposes. Resources required: burette, conical flask, beaker, pipette. Chemicals required: silver nitrate solution of 0.01 molar, potassium chromate indicator and water sample. Procedure: wash the burette with the water, rinse the burette with 0.01 molar silver nitrate solution, fill it with 0.01 molar silver nitrate solution, remove air bubble present in the edges, take 2 to 3 drops of potassium chromate indicator into the water sample in a conical flask. Color of the solution becomes yellow. Now titrate this solution with 0.01 molar silver nitrate solution till yellow color changes to brick red, and note down the reading. Repeat the procedure to get a constant reading. Chemical required for these experiments are water sample, potassium chromate solution and 0.01 molar silver nitrate solution. Thus fill the burette with 0.01 molar silver nitrate solution first. Zero mark, and if any air bubble present in the burette, take 25 ml of a sample into the conical flask. Of potassium chromate indicator, and 2 drops of potassium chromate indicator into the water sample. Color of the solution becomes yellow. Now titrate this water sample with 0.01 molar silver nitrate solution till you get a brick red color. get the brick red color of the sample solution, and our reading is 12.2, means our endpoint is 12.2. Take consecutive 3 readings. Here we get 12.2 ml as our constant burette reading, means chloride ion present in the water sample reacts with 12.2 ml of a 0.01 molar silver nitrate solution. On the basis of this burette reading, we will do the calculation. 1000 ml of 1 molar silver nitrate is equal to 35.5 grams of chloride ion. That is, Z ml of a 0.01 molar silver nitrate is equal to 35.5 into Z into 0.01 divided by 1000. This Z means our burette reading. 35.5 into 12.2, that is our burette reading, means 12.2 ml of a 0.01 molar silver nitrate is equal to 35.5 into 12.2 into 0.0 upon 1000, that is 0.00433 grams of a chloride ion. That is 25 ml of a water sample contain 0.00433 gram of a chloride ion. Therefore, 1000 ml of water sample is equal to Y into 40, that is 0.00433 into 40 is equal to 0.173 gram of a chloride ion. That is 1000 ml of a water sample contain Y into 40, that is 0.173 into 1000. 0.173 into 1000 milligram of a chloride. There is a milligram converted into the gram is converted into milligram. 1000 ml of water sample contain 173.24 milligram of a chloride ion, means that is 173.24 ppm. Chloride contents in the given water sample is equal to 173.24 ppm. Already we discussed in the first, that is, if chloride ion is about 250 ppm, we are not used it for industrial purposes. But now in this experiment, we calculated the chloride ion is 173.24 ppm, means given water sample contains 173.24 ppm of chloride ion, so it can be used for drinking and industrial purposes.